What's that, guys? Well, best day ever. We talk after they start the engine. Those are the 1200 horsepower of the Merlin engine inside a P-51D Mustang. Incredible World War II American fighter. But of course, if you're here, you already know this. Well, let's see how this goes to the runway, and let's tell you how was my day. In another video I will tell you my experience with the P-51 Mustang here from the Texas Flying Legends, and I cannot stress enough how grateful I am for the experience that I'm gonna have. Actually, what happened is that this show is so important for me because my girlfriend got VIP tickets with the Texas Flying Legends, and they let me be in the hangar, and here you can see that they had in the hangar a Spitfire, a P-51 Mustang and a P-40. And well, guys, you know, I was bold enough to talk to the pilot, you know, if I could go near the Spitfire, and well, he was very grateful to just show me all the way. And if you guys think that they let me go inside, you know, and have a moment for myself, well, that is correct.
So, get this. Cool stuff. Yeah. Best day ever.
Short after I finished with the Spitfire, they took it away to fly it in the show. And well, I stepped outside, and you know, when you go outside in a festival, you see the typical Cobra helicopter and the MiG-21 and MiG-17. And well, the Blue Angels were outside doing her thing, so I let you see what they were doing. When the Blue Engines finished with the performance, we got into a golf cart, and well, I snapped a picture, of the airfield, and it looks amazing. And well, B-25 just landed, and they let me go into the B-25, and well, let me show you some video of it. I took some pictures inside of the B-25, and well, you can see a gunner's position with a 50 caliber, which was amazing. The detail of the restoration was incredible, and I got outside, and I got a picture of the tail of the plane with a tail gunner. And well, as we were going back to the hangar, there was a ME-262 taking off, so let me leave you with that. And well, Paul me, I had to see the ME-262 do their thing, near Corsa. So, well, I snapped some pictures also, and well, I hope you liked the video. I leave you with some footage I recorded of the air show, and well, stay tuned for the next one because it's going to be an amazing one. See you guys.